Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of integration, this chapter. So it is 2b 60. In this video we are going to find the solution, first section. Now I told you already this is very important chapter. It will cover 18 marks for you. So 18 marks if this chapter is covers, so what we have to practice? Okay, 7 marks question 1 and 2 7 marks questions will come from this chapter, and 2 plus 2 marks 2 questions, or else 4 marks question. Okay, so will come here from this, like 4 marks question. So please practice more as examples. Okay, so again I am telling that, so examples and solved problems and text exercise problems. So all our problems will up to like some number of like up to 100 questions or above questions will come there. So you will get 18 marks compulsory from this if you do this 100 problems, like above problems. And you have to know some important formulas also. Those formulas will help you to do the like problems. So please practice as much as you can. Okay, so writing is very important. You have to write number of times and multiple times. So practice only will help you to fetch your 75 marks in your like 2b. Okay, this is like compulsory, you have to practice here. Okay, 75 marks you want to do score, so you have to practice with the hand number of times, multiple times. Okay, so this is my request. Please guys, practice as much as you can. I will go for the next exercise questions. Here 60 I am starting today. So section 1 I will complete in this video, and section 2 I will go for the next day only. So start with the section 1 here. So dear students, here you will go through your textbook 2b. So there you will find like 222 page number. Okay, so 222 page number, there is a 6.2.27. so this is very important, like one like evaluation of integral of the form, like where a, b are the real numbers is given. So that is very important questions. And here like 6.2.28 is there, there is a solve problems like that only, like this type of formula only will come here. So 2 3 4 only 3 there, 3 problems are there. Please practice 6.2, these 3 problems are there here, solve problems. First few problems solve there, and after that will come 6.2.29. so this is also very important, evaluation of integrals of the form like dx by under root of. So here the only expression is given like 4x square minus 4x plus minus 7 is that given na? So expression only is given, but in the this 6.2.9 there is under root is given, dx divided by integral like this. So in this equation is given, so this type of question is also there. Okay, now that will come in the 6.2.30, like in this one will come solve problems. So please practice all these solve problems, and many number of solve problems are there, different types of questions. It will help you in your MCET also. So if how much you practice, that will help that much in your board exam also, as well as in the MCET also. Please do that practice here. Okay, I want to say that one thing only, the practice man's made perfect, like that. Please practice as much as you can. Thank you. Now here this is section 1, first question here. So he asking us to find, like given question is evaluate the following integrals he given here. So like first question is given integral d by dx divided by under root of 2x square minus 2x minus 3x square plus 1 is given na? So this is very important question for your 2 marks question. Please practice here. And now I will start with the solution here. So given that like what is given, integral dx divided by under root of what given, 2x minus 3x square, 2x minus 3x square plus 1 is given here. So here from this we can do one thing here. So here I will do one thing from this, all these 3 terms I will common 3 from these all 3 terms. So it will become integral dx divided by, if I common 3 though, it will become under root of 3 into 2x by 3 minus x square plus 1 by 3 will come here. Okay, this 3 will go outside, so it will become 1 by root 3 will come. Integral dx divided by under root of 2x by 3 minus x square plus 1 by 3 will come here. So this will come here. So here 1 by 3 I will write it as like 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9 I will write here. So see here 4 by 9 means how much will come? 9 LCM will come. 4 minus 1 will come here. it will become 3 by 9. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja, so means 1 by 3 only remain here. So in the 1 by 3 in the place I will replace 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So it will become 1 by root 3 into, so please concentration guys, so it will thoda confuse karta. So it will become under root of, so 2x divided by 3 I will write like that only, x square plus 1 by 3 place I will replace divided by 4 by 3, 4 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So this 4 by 9 I will write it as 2 by 3 whole square, 1 by 9 I will write 1 by 3 whole square. This I will can write it as. Okay, so it will become, I will write it as it will 1 by root 3 into integral of dvx divided by this x square, like we can, what we can say here, what we can write it as like this 2 by 3, like 2 by 3 whole square minus what we can write it as x minus 1 by 3 whole square, we can write it as x minus 1 by 3 whole square. If we divide this will, though it will become this and this will come x square minus 2x by 3, 1 by 9 will come if we expand this one though. Okay, so here 2 by 3, this 4 by 9 this here there. Okay, so it will become in the root. Okay, so now here I will do here, so this remaining part here I will do here. So what we have got here, 1 by root 3, so integral dy dx of dx divided by under root of 2 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 3 whole square will come here. So this is a square will think that this is x square. Okay, this is a square minus x square will come. So here you know the formula, integral of 1 by a square minus x square is equal to how much here, into dx is equal to, so that sine inverse of x by a, no? So this formula is a plus c. So in this formula we have to submit these values. So here what will come, 1 by root 3 into integral of this total is equal to so sine inverse of x is equal to how much here, x minus 1 by 3, no? So 1 by 3 divided by a is equal to 2 by 3 will come here, this will come. So this 2 by 3 will go upside, it will become 1 by root 3 into sine inverse of 3 by 2 into x minus 1 by 3 will come here, x minus 1 by 3 will come here. So if you want to multiply, you can multiply, or do if you want to do anything we can do here. So 3 1 3 into x, 3x, 3 minus x, 3 3 will get cancelled, will come here, 1 by root 3 into sine inverse of 3 by 2 into 3x minus 1 divided by 3, so 3 3 will get cancelled, it will become 3x minus 1 by 2 will remain here in this place. Okay, so this is end of this first question. So it will take lot of time because I explained it clearly in this place. This is very very important, how to take this these four steps. So that's why I explained it clearly, so please understand. Okay, so please practice here. Now moving to the second question. Now second question is very very important and very easy also. So this type of question will compulsory, maximum 2 marks questions will come. Okay, so now here integral given question is sin theta divided by 2 minus cos square theta under root, okay, into d theta. So here in the given question is the theta form. Okay, now I will take theta, t is equal to as a cos theta. In the denominator there is a cos theta is there, I will take as a t is equal to cos theta. It will become dt is equal to cos theta is equal to differentiate करे तो minus sin theta will come here, minus sin theta, okay, into d theta will come. So d theta is equal to, now what we have to do here means it will become already gone there, no? So d theta is equal to sin t dt minus sin t dt is equal to d theta. So it will become integral minus dt divided by, so this minus will come this, na? So here this total will become dt divided by under root of 2 minus this cos theta is equal to t will took na, so t square will come here. So it will become integral minus dt divided by under root of 2, I will write it as 2 root 2 whole square, okay, t square will come here. So this minus goes to the integral outside, it will become dt divided by root 2 whole square minus t square will come. So this is also a square minus x square form, like what we can say here, So that is sine inverse of sine, this minus is there na, so minus sine inverse of x by a means t by a is equal to root 2 will come here. What is the t value? What is the t value? That t value we have to substitute this equation. Sine inverse of t is equal to how much we took? Cos theta divided by root 2. So this is the value of given question here. This is very important one. So now this is third question is given here. Integral cos x divided by sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 5 dx is given. So this type of question is given na. So what we have to take here, first we have to take in the sines form na, so that will we have to take is t is equal to sin x. Okay, so we have to convert into a small form. Okay, so here dt is equal to sin x is equal to how much will come? Cos x, no? So cos x dx will come. So we have to cos x dx is equal to dt, we can write it as integral cos x dx is equal to dt divided by this is sin square x, no? So sin x is equal to how much? T we took na. So t square plus 4t plus 5 will come here. So in this integral dt divided by t square plus 4t plus 4 plus 1 we can write it as, okay, 5 I will dividing in the 4 plus 1. So it will become integral dt divided by what is that? T plus 2 whole square will come plus 1 will come here. So this t plus whole square means this total will become, okay, now t plus 2 whole square will come, and after that what will come here? Plus 1. So this is the formula of like 1 by x square plus 1 square means a square under under root or no, there is no need of integral d by dx of like this. So what is the formula of like this will become tan inverse of x, like tan inverse of x will come here. So in this tan inverse of x we will take to it will become tan inverse of t plus 2 will come here. Tan inverse of t plus 2 means tan inverse of t is equal to how much we took? Sin x plus 2 will come here. So this is the answer of given question here, this one. Okay, now moving to the fourth question here. Here fourth question is given that integral dx divided by 1 plus cos square x is given here. Now solution will come like this here. So given question is what? Integral dx divided by 1 plus cos square x, no? So what we can do here? Anything idea? Can you say anyone? Like I will do here. So integral dx divided by 1 plus cos square x, I will write it as 1 by secant square x. We can write it na. So secant square x. So I will multiply, cross multiply with this one. I will bring this to the numerator. It will become secant square x dx divided by this multiply will to secant square x plus 1 will come here. Dx is there na already. Okay. Now secant square x is, we can write it as tan square x plus 1. Okay. Secant square minus tan square theta is equal to 1 no. So like that. So it will become integral secant square x dx divided by tan square x plus 1 will come. This plus 1 is there na, that one, and secant square x is equal to tan square plus x plus 1. So here secant square x dx divided by tan square x plus 1 is there na. So it will become, so here it will become secant square x dx divided by tan square x plus 2 will come here. In this tan x is equal to, I will take as t is equal to tan x. So dt is equal to tan theta, we can write it as d by dx of tan theta is equal to secant square theta, secant square x into dx will come. So this is a numerator form. Okay, so here dt is equal to integral dt divided by tan x we will write as t square plus 2. So integral dt divided by this is tan t square plus root 2 whole square we can write it as. So it will become x square plus a square. So it will become 1 by x square plus means, so integral 1 by x square plus a square formula is a square plus x square or x square plus a square dx is equal to tan, in the tans form it will become 1 by a into tan inverse of what will come, x by a will come na, x by a will come plus c will come here. So this is will come here formula. So in that formula we will translate this one. So it will become 1 by a. So this is will become, I will have this one 1 by a is equal to here how much will take here means root 2 will take here, will to take 1 by root 2 will come into tan inverse of 1 by root into tan inverse of what will come, x is equal to t divided by a is equal to how much, root 2. so will come. So it will become 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of t is equal to how much we took, tan x divided by under root of 2. So this is the answer for given question. Okay, now moving to the fifth question. Now here fifth question is given that integral dx divided by 2 sin square x plus 3 cos square x is given here. So in this I will divide this equation by the cos square x. Okay, like given question is I will divide with this. Okay, integral dx divided by cos square x will come here. Okay, divided by 2 sin square x divided by cos square x will come here for this, plus 3 into cos square x divided by cos square x. I am dividing. Okay, so this will become cancel and this will become tan square x will come integral. So this is will become secant square x will come, secant square x dx will come. So this numerator. Okay, so divided by this sin square x divided by cos square x is equal to 2 tan square x will come here, tan square x plus 3 will come here. In this we'll take tan x is equal to, we'll take as a t here and we'll get the answer of this like first fourth question, like same question. Here I will took tan is equal to, we'll took here na t is equal to tan x, like the same process only we have to do here again. T is equal to tan x and dt is equal to secant square x dx will come. So secant square x already we have got now, so that one. So from I am doing from here, so it will become dt divided by integral dt divided by 2t square plus 3 will come here, 2t square plus 3 will come here. Okay, so from this I will do one thing, I will common 2 from this denominator. It will become 1 by 2 will come outside from this one. It will become integral dt divided by t square plus 3 by 2 will come here, t square plus 2 by 2. So 1 by 2 will remain like that only, dt divided by t square plus this 3 by 2 whole root we can write like this. So this is again same like tan inverse of like same that only. So in this form it will become, what is that here, like fourth question formula what we have used, this one only we have to use again here also, 1 by x square plus a square. So one means here 1 by a is equal to how much here, root 3 by 2 na. So is equal to 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2, and again what will come again, so into tan inverse of x is equal to how much, t square divided by under root of root 3 by 2 will come here, under root of root 3 by 2 will come. So this will become denominator now. So here so this is in the 1 by like form will come, it will become reverse again, it will become 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3 like this will come here into tan inverse of this t place what we have to do, tan x means here tan x only will come here. This here tan square not only tan x divided by under root of 3 by 2 will come here. So it will become under root of 2 by 6 will come here into tan inverse of so here if you want to do multiply 2 root 3 by 3 into tan x. So this will come here answer. Now moving to the sixth one. Now here sixth question is given that solution. So question is what, 1 by 1 plus tan x is given na, tan x dx is given na. So here we have to do one thing here. So we have to spread this like this, 1 by 1 plus like evaluate like this, like sin x divided by cos x and dx. It will become integral cos x will become LCM, it will become cos x divided by cos x plus sin x will come here, sin x dx will come. So this is cross multiply will come, it will become numerator value. So this I write here. Okay, now here I will do one thing, I will divide with the 1 here integral and I will add 2 sin x cos x I will add, I will multiply with this 2. Okay, 2 cos x divided by cos x plus sin x I will take dx. Okay, in this place 2 cos x plus no, so I will minus sin x plus sin x I will add here. Okay, so it will become y I will tell you. Okay, integral 1 by this is cos x plus cos x I will write here, cos x minus sin x one thing will come here, and again plus cos x plus sin x will come here again into dx, divided by cos x plus sin x will come. So we have to expand like this, that's why I took here 2. So multiply with the 2, divide with the 2, 2 cos x. After that I did minus sin x plus sin x, it will become also 0 here. So that's will do, I did here for total. So if I remove I will divide, I will like expand this one, so it will become 1 by 2 into integral cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x will come here into dx, okay, plus 1 by 2 integral cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x will there into dx. So this will get cancelled, it will become 1, and the remaining terms are will come like this here. How will it come? So it will become integral 1 by 2 integral, so it will become cos x, this one cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x will come here into dx, plus 1 by 2 into integral, so this will come na, so 1 dx will come, 1 dx will be there, 1 dx. So it will become 1 by 2 integral, this total will become, okay na, so this integral will become, it will become log of 1 by 2 log of sin x plus cos x will come here, okay. So this total will become, and this will become 1 by 2 into here 1, this will become x will come, means x by 2 will come. So this is the answer of this given question here. Now moving to the next question. Now 7th question also same here, solution will come like this. So given question is this one, and it will become integral 1 by, so what is given here, cot given. So in the 6th question there is a tan is given, see here this is tan is given na? So here cot is given, so same like we have to do here, and we'll do that thing only. So here we'll take 1 minus cos x divided by sin x I will take, okay, into dx. So cross multiplication of this one like this will come here, and it will become multiply with the 1, and it will become integral sin x will come upside, it will become sin x, dx will come divided by sin x minus cos x will come here, sin x minus cos x. Again same thing I will do, multiply with this one, and multiply this 2 and divide with this 2, divided by sin x minus cos x will come here into dx will be there, dx will be there. So now here I will add minus cos x plus cos x to the given question here, okay. So it will become 1 by 2 into sin x minus cos x I will here, plus this one thing sin x, these are two sin x are there na? So first sin x and second sin x here, and plus cos x will come here, cos x, total divided by sin x minus cos x here into dx will be there. Now here I will from I will start from here, okay, again I will start from here. So it will become 1 by 2 into integral of, so this if I divide this equation to sin x minus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x dx will become here 1 by 2 into integral sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x into dx will be there. So this will get cancelled, 1 by 2 into integral dx will come here, plus 1 by 2 into, so this total we can write it as this total, okay, this total we can write it as integral sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x integral is equal to log of sin x minus cos x will come here, okay. So this is also will become x, so 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 log of sin x minus cos x will come here. So this is the end of this question, and this is the first section. Section 1 is completed here. Please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Please practice more, you will get compulsory up to 18 marks from this chapter. So this is the end of this section 1. Thank you guys. I will do second section as well as possible, okay. Thank you guys.